Hey beauties, guess what came in today? My Boxycharm. I was so excited to see this at my door today. So, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription with 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. These products will be valued at least $100. And I've taken a peek inside and used some of the products today, and wow, what a value it is for $21. Now once you're a charmer, you get other benefits like Boxy Lux, limited edition boxes, and also our Boxy pop-up that's coming very soon. So if you're excited to see what's in my Boxycharm box, sit back and let me show you. Okay guys, let's take a look and see what's in our July Boxycharm box. Okay, and we're going to open it up and I'll put it right back like it was. And this is what I see when I open my box. And we have our card here, and our card has a theme every month, and it says au natural, or natural skin. And it always lists all your products on the back with the prices. But first, let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, I also see this. This is an Elemis coupon for $10 that you can use at Ulta. It says, visit an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis flash facial. And they can use 2 different products on you, either the Insta Glow with Superfood or the Insta Firm with Pro Collagen. And there's a date that you have to use this by, July 7th through August 3rd. Okay, moving on, my first product I see here, it's the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this sells for $35. And as you can see up here, I put it on today. I cleansed my skin and I applied the mask, and I left it on for 10 minutes, and I came back, and you use a dark colored washcloth to wipe it off your face. And when you apply it to your skin, make sure you don't get it in your eyes or your mouth, and let it sit on your skin for 10 minutes. Now they said that some tingling may occur. I didn't feel any tingling. I felt like a coolness or a little something, but it wasn't a tingling, and my skin's pretty sensitive, so I was surprised I didn't feel anything. But it really made my skin soft, and it felt so good after I wiped it off. Now this is supposed to smooth your skin, brighten your skin. It takes off any dead skin cells that you have on top of the surface, and it just gives your skin a beautiful glow, like a natural glow. Moving on, the next item in the box is the Luxy Gia Trio Brush Set. And right under that it says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. I love this, because I saw another subscription box that had maybe a 4 or 5 piece brush set that had this huge box with plastic on it, and I said, why such big packaging for a subscription box? This way you get your 3 brushes and you put this in a recycling bin, and that's all you're leaving. They can recycle this and nothing left behind to keep on the earth forever. So I thought this is a great idea, and I love this Gia brush set. It has a foundation brush, a huge blending brush, And this one is like a crease brush, I want to say. It's a precision crease brush, but I used it as a flat shader. Now you can use these brushes to do whatever you want, and that's how I use this brush. This type of foundation brush is one you should use if you have mature skin, or you want to do a quick foundation look and you want full coverage. This is the type you should use. If you have sensitive skin, you should use this also. Any type of brush where you have to pounce on your skin can make it redder. I used this one today. You use less product, you spread it on. This brush is very good for mature skin. Yeah. Okay, and that's our 3 brush set. Very sturdy. They worked really well. I used this to dust shadow over my entire eye. I had used some concealer around my eyebrow, and then down here I had put a shadow base, and I just put a skin colored shadow all over with this one. And this I used for the light shade you see from my inner corner, kind of about halfway into my eye. It's a new technique I learned for hooded eyes. And my eyes are really slightly hooded. They're not as bad as like going over, but they are slightly hooded. But that's our 3 Luxy Gaia brush set. Opening up the package, I see my next favorite item is the Butter London palette. And that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And this is what it looks like inside. It has a plastic covering, and these are the shadows. You have 2 mattes. You have this green color, which is called Femme Fatale, and then you have Temptress. That's your 2 matte shades. Femme Fatale is the green, and then you have the brown, which is Temptress. And let me swatch these 2 on my hand. Beautiful shades. Beautiful. And I have lotion on my hands, so that's why it's kind of messing up. But anyways, that's the 2 matte shades. Beautiful shades. Then we have 4 metallic shades. Okay, we have Enchantress on the top. Queen is the second one. Star is the greenish one, and Diva is the bottom one. Beautiful palette. I loved how it performed on my eye. The green could have been just a tinge more pigmented, I thought. I really had to build it up. I love the brown shade. I didn't use some of the metallics. Next we have from Appeal Cosmetics a gel liner in the shade Taupe. And let me just swatch it on the back of my hand. I actually used this on my eyes. You see, it's a gel liner, so it comes out really well. And I also used it to line my lips, and I liked it. It did very well. It goes on really easy like a gel liner does. And I like the fact that it's not black, that is taupe. And next from Alamore Cosmetics is our last product. It's the lip gloss called Mother of Pearl. Beautiful lip gloss. Let me show you how pretty this is. It's right here. You can see it's clear, so it's hard to see on camera. It's at the top, but I'm going to put it on my lipstick here, over it. It has a nice scent. I mean, it's really just a soft, clear, metallic-y type lip gloss, but there's no glitter in it. It's just like a duochrome, like wet look. Look, I put more, so can you see that at the top? It's hard to see on camera. but it's so pretty. I love just a clear lip gloss for every day to stick in your purse for when you need it. And this is valued at $10. So if you add up all 5 products, we have a value of $128 for this month's box. That's a great box. If I were to say what was my favorite, it has to be the Elemis product. I love how it made my face feel. You would use this maybe twice a week is what they suggest. And my second best has to be this Butter London palette. I love the packaging. I love the flowers on it. It's just, and the formula, I wanted to try their formula, and their formula is nice. So that is my BOXYCHARM for this month. For our giveaway clue, we're giving away 2 palettes this month, and guess what? I got them in. I'm giving away the Jawbreaker large palette to 1 lucky subscriber, and another subscriber is going to get the mini Jawbreaker. And all you have to do is read the rules and regulations. I either have a link below that goes to a video that has all the rules on it, and just follow those rules. But for your giveaway clue for this video, could you please put a flower emoji at the end of your comment and tell me which product is your favorite. For $21, you're getting $128 worth of products. You can't do wrong, fellas. I mean, this is awesome. If anybody's interested in subscribing to BOXYCHARM, my link is below. It is an affiliate link. I get a small commission if you join, but it really helps my channel out so I can continue to give such nice giveaways and have nice equipment on my channel. So thank you guys so much. Remember to share and subscribe. And before I end, I forgot one thing. This is box variation 2 is the one I got. So take care. Please give my video a like if you enjoyed this. And until I see you again, bye. Mwah. Love you guys.